Filming. Okay, this video is to show you how to soften butter. Obviously, the best way to soften butter is to take it out hours in advance and just let it soften naturally. But if you need your butter softened in a hurry, you forgot it, or you need it just really quickly, this is the perfect recipe to do it quickly without melting it in the microwave. So, take your stick of butter in the wrapper and put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Okay, and take your stick of butter and flip it over and do 8 seconds. Alright, and hang on, let me door shut. There you have it, perfectly softened butter, in a hurry no less. There you go.